Many engines today have 2 or more belts that will need to be replaced at some point. One is a serpentine belt on the front of the engine that drives the engine accessories such as the alternator and the air conditioning compressor. The other is the timing belt if the engine has an overhead cam design. Timing belt failure is serious business. If the belt fails, the engine will stop. If the engine is an interference engine damage can occur to pistons and valves. It is so important to replace timing belts at the recommended service intervals called out by the car manufacturer. Recommended maintenance and replacement of the belt could be at 60,000, 90,000, or 100,000 miles. Belt replacement should be done as recommended, and it's that simple. When a timing belt is replaced, it's a good idea to take a total systems approach and replace all the necessary components. By replacing the belt and the tensioner, you are really returning the timing system to like new condition. It's a good idea to replace pulleys and the water pump as well. All of these components have wearable parts, such as bearings, which can fail. Continental has timing kits for every need. The Continental Pro Series and Pro Series Plus kits contain the components for a customized solution. These kits contain the belt and all necessary drive components for the application. And for peace of mind, these components look like the original part and meet or exceed OE fit, form, and function so that the part will install the same as the original part. And when installed correctly, Continental will warranty the components to the same duration as the original equipment warranty that came from the car manufacturer. Let's take a look at the Continental Pro Series Plus kit. Here we have a timing belt kit. Inside the box are all the components required to replace the belt. Let's dig in. This is Continental's PP328 LK4 Pro Series Plus that fits many Subaru 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engines. This kit also includes the water pump. First, we have the belt. The recommended replacement interval can range from 60,000 to 90,000 miles depending on the model year. In this Subaru application, the replacement interval is 100,000 miles. Next, we have the tensioner. It should be replaced along with the belt. Here is the cogged idler pulley. Inside are bearings and seals. If you decide to leave the old one on the engine, it can fail and cause noise and alignment problems for the belt. There are 3 more idler pulleys. The reason why these are in the box is that they can fail. The best case scenario is that when they wear, they will cause noise. The worst case scenario is when they fail. They will cause the timing to change. This is not good for an interference engine. Here we have the water pump and gaskets. The timing belt drives the water pump. The original pump might not be leaking, but are you willing to bet that it will not leak in the next 60 or 90,000 miles? You are better off replacing it now. The advantage of these kits is that you have all the parts in one kit and in one delivery. You don't have to wait for multiple deliveries to have all the parts to start the job. Finally, the Pro Plus kit includes cam and crank seals. Continental Pro Series kits also include the necessary installation instructions, component alerts, mileage guarantee, and installation sticker. Make sure to read the installation instructions before beginning the job. Every install is different, and the instructions will help guide you through the process. Component alerts are included to call out special attention to the installation of a given part to make the job easier. The mileage guarantee certificate should be filled out and submitted to Continental to ensure the proper registration of the kit. This guarantee is Continental's commitment to our customers, and it reflects the high-quality products in the kit. And finally, the mileage sticker is just a reminder of those high-quality products that were installed and the date of installation. Fill it out and apply it under the hood where it can be seen. The Continental Pro Series with water pump, tensioners, and pulleys, or the Pro Series Plus that also includes cam and crank seal sets the standard for providing the high-performance products you need for a reliable and economical replacement of your timing belt drive. Thanks for watching.